We track our steps, our sleep, even our calories. But the calories only tell us the input. They don't tell us the impact. I actually want to know what happens inside my body when I eat these foods. Does the healthy option really work? Or does the junk food really crashes me? Or it's all just marketing? I'm not diabetic, but I'm going to wear this biosensor on my arm just to see what the actual data says. I'm going to test every food from fast food to the healthy options so we can make smarter choices with the actual data. Welcome to Spike Tested, and the data doesn't lie. First, we need to get this thing on my arm. This is Dexcom G7. It's a CGM, continuous glucose monitor. It uses a small filament which goes under my skin, which tracks the glucose levels 24/7. Boom, it's on. Now, while this connects to my phone, let's talk about the science. I'm not diabetic, so why am I tracking my blood sugar levels with the CGM monitor? Just to understand that, you need to know what happens when you eat. When you eat food, it turns into glucose and enters your bloodstream. And your body notices that your blood glucose level is rising and it releases a hormone called insulin. And just think the insulin as a key. It opens up the cell and shoves that glucose into the cell so that it can use up that glucose for energy later on. Once the sugar is stored away, your blood glucose level goes back down. That's a normal healthy system. Standard medical guidelines says if your blood glucose level goes back to normal, which is 7.8 millimoles or 140 mg 2 hours after eating, you're fine. But here is the catch. What happens in those 2 hours? If you eat the wrong foods, your blood glucose level spikes very fast and your body panics and releases lots of insulin to reduce that blood glucose level. So it goes back down as quickly as it shot up. And then after 2 hours, your blood glucose levels are at normal levels or below 7.8 millimoles or 140 mg. But your doctor missed the spike, but your body felt the roller coaster. And riding those roller coaster every day is dangerous. And there are 3 reasons why. Number 1, energy crashes. When the insulin in your body clears the blood glucose level too fast, you crash. That's the 2 p.m. slump where you can't focus. This is glucose crash. Number 2, constant high spikes can cause inflammation inside your blood vessels. And number 3, in the long run, if you allow your body to pump massive amount of insulin every single day, eventually your cells stop listening. That's called insulin resistance. And this is the first step to the type 2 diabetes. My goal is to catch these spikes now while I'm still healthy and keep my spikes between the optimal range. So I'm going to be the guinea pig and turn my body into laboratory. But I can't do this alone. I need your help to build the menu. What do you want to see? Please comment below. I'm going to read every single one of them. But for my first experiment, I'm going to test my favorite and the most iconic Canadian drink, Tim Hortons French Vanilla. Is it a coffee or something else? I'm going to drink medium French vanilla and I'll show you the graph with the actual data. And trust me, you don't want to miss that result. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell on so that you'll know exactly when the video is out. I'm Raj, this is Spike Tested. Let's get to work.